We are Christians. Hello?
Mohammad, I'm the same person.
Hey Mohammad, how are you?
Would you like to hear an advice from a person who really likes good for you?
Okay, I want an advice for you. Before you go to advice, I want to ask you a personal advice. Is that okay?
I don't mind, but
Okay.
you have to let me.
Well, I am a person.
Okay,
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
I am a person who like to take a shower with dead dogs and women blood from period. I don't know why, and people they throw garbage there. What do you want to give me advice about that?
Okay. طيب, let me give you my advice. Do you, and speak from the heart.
Are you going to advise me about what I asked you to give me advice, or you give me a speech?
Do you love this show more than you love Jesus, or the other way around?
My friend, I ask you. I am a person who like to take a shower with dead dogs and women blood from period. What do you think the problem? How we can solve the problem?
I don't know what this question. What are you saying?
Well, I am a person who like. I am a person. I mean, it's so clear. I am a person who like to jump in the water, have dead dogs and women blood from period, and have garbage. What do you think? What is my problem? Do you think
that means that you are if you believe this, that means you are you have a corrupt nature.
I have corrupt nature because I like to jump with dead dogs in the water and the women blood from period. Why?
Because you have to be pure.
So if I swim, if I jump with water, have dead dogs and women blood and garbage, that's mean I am really filthy, right?
It means you are not pure. Yes.
Okay. Well, I agree with you. I have to be. But what do you think? What the problem? What is behind the problem? Why I'm doing that?
Christianprince, let me ask you. Let me give you an advice.
No. Tell me why you think I'm jumping with the dogs, the dead dogs and women blood from period, which you agree that this is filthy. Why? What is the reason you think? What is that? Is that a psychology? Is that a psychology problem? Do you think I have a mental issue?
I know where you are going with this. Probably. However, the question which the advice I'm going to give you now, or the question I want to ask you,
my friend, don't go to the question yet. Don't do the question. I want you to solve my problem yet. You agreed that this is filthy. That's mean I am corrupt. Everybody heard you. Now, why? What do you think the solution? Why I am corrupt? Why I am filthy by doing that? Explain to me.
Christianprince, I want you to let me ask you a question, please.
My friend, I want you to finish my advice. I ask you for a favor. You need to finish it, please. Why you think I am corrupt, as you said, for taking a shower with dead dogs and women blood from period and garbage in the water? Why you think I'm corrupt? I am filthy, as you said.
Because the prophets taught us, or the prophets of Allah taught us, that we have to be clean and pure.
But what is the reason? Do you think I have a genie? Do you think the Shaitan making me do that? What is the problem?
I don't understand your question.
Why I'm doing that? Why a person like me jumping in the water, having dead dogs and women blood from period, and even garbage? So why? What do you think the reason behind that? Is that mental issue? Is that the genie, Shaitan controlling me? Why?
What are you trying to say? You have to give me more information. I
don't know. I'm asking you. You are the one who told me, yes, you are corrupt, you are filthy if you are doing that. And
I did not say that.
You said that.
I said that a person who prefers filthiness over cleanliness is a corrupt person. His fitrah is twisted.
What corrupt mean? Does that mean I am what corrupt? Explain what corrupt mean.
He doesn't have pure. He's not pure outwardly. He's not pure inwardly.
So, are you saying my spirit have something wrong with it? This is why I'm jumping like a pig inside that water.
It means that you are impure.
Okay, does that mean I am like a pig jumping inside the water like this? Because pigs they do that.
What are you trying to say?
I'm asking you. Okay, no problem. Okay, we will go to your topic.
The foundations of all of this.
No, don't go anywhere, my friend.
This is not.
My friend, this is not. Hold on. No private. Everybody have to hear. So people they will learn about you and about me. Now listen. If I jump in such a water, have dead dogs, women blood, and garbage, does that make me equal to pigs?
If you jump in unclean water, it means for what reason are you doing it? It's unclean.
But what will make me for you? If you see someone doing that, what will make you say about him?
it would be an impure thing.
Yeah, but what you will say about him? You will say he's crazy. You will say he's mental. You will say what?
Probably if he has an alternative, it would be very evil.
Evil. Thank you very much. What if I say that this is your prophet who did that?
The Prophet ﷺ did not do that.
Yes, he did. Here we go. The hadith in front of me.
Ya Allah. Before we go into the hadith.
No, not before. Not before. Don't change the topic.
Please.
No, don't change the topic.
No,
don't change the topic. Everybody heard you. Everybody heard you. Everybody heard you saying this is evil. This is
I am
evil.
not on YouTube. I'm not.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Everybody heard you saying that you are corrupt. This is evil. This is filthy. You said all kinds of names.
If water is impure, why would you use it?
You tell me. I don't know. You are the one who said this is evil, didn't you?
Impure water, we don't use it.
Okay, so evil. If you said if I do such a thing, I am an evil person.
You are evil and in corrupt nature. You don't prefer.
Thank you very much. You just confirmed, guys. Did you hear
it? To me what
if you do that, you are evil and corrupt person. But the one who did that is your prophet, not me.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He was the most pure.
So, you are the one who said if you do that, you are corrupt and evil. Everybody heard you.
He said the Prophet ﷺ, he was the most pure.
My friend, you are the one who said to me a second, if somebody do that, he is corrupt and he is evil.
I accept that, but the Prophet ﷺ was the most pure.
But you are the one who said that he is corrupt because he is the one who did that.
Christianprince, I have to speak to you about what you are saying.
My friend, we are speaking about it. We are speaking about it. Why you're a prophet? Why you're a prophet being evil, corrupt person, as you described that the one who do that is evil and corrupt. Why he is corrupt and why he is evil and why he is jumping with water, have dead dogs and women of blood from period and garbage.
You have to see the context of the hadith.
The hadith in the front of us. The hadith in the front of us.
Christianprince, let me speak with you, please.
You are speaking to me, my friend. You are not speaking to the wall. Answer me.
No.
Why you're a prophet? Why you're a prophet? Don't change the topic. You are in trouble. Why you're a prophet? You admit. Everybody heard you. You admit that your prophet is evil, corrupt, filthy. You have a mental issue.
I haven't got the chance to speak about what we said last time, and now you want to
go problem. We can go there, but let's finish this one. We have a problem here. What kind of a prophet?
I don't want to speak about this.
I don't care. You don't want to speak? Then you have to speak first before you go to any topic. You have to finish this one. Why you describe your prophet to be evil, corrupt? Shame on you.
I believe the Prophet ﷺ was the pure.
Shame on you. No, you are a person who said, guys, everybody, did you hear him saying that the one who do that is corrupt and evil and filthy? He said that, right? You said whoever do that. And Muhammad did that. It's not me. I never do that. Why you are being hypocrite?
I'm not being a hypocrite.
Well, you are the one who said you are the one who said who do that is corrupt. You are the one who said that, not me. I did not say that. I asked you that this is about me, and then because I am the one to do it, so you start saying, yeah, he's corrupt, he's evil, he's crazy, But now because you heard, look at the hypocrisy. Look at the hypocrisy of you Muslims. Muslims, you are a nation of hypocrisy. A second ago, the one who do that is evil. The second ago,
you are not at all hypocrites.
You are the hypocrite. You are the hypocrite.
We have high regard for
Get lost. You are a son of Shaitan. You are a follower of Shaitan. Hypocrite. You just said and confirmed that, and now you swallow your tongue. You idiot.